have video the dog of the people. Yo, put the phone to there.
What the jungle dunga bongo dunga one? Terror Dan, I'm like the place, you know. I give you the best review.
Gaza fans, don't fret. Teacher soon free, you want stick a bed.
Gaza fans, if you're not happy to see Vibes Cartel in a video, even though I'm not free yet, you understand? I hear the key word, yet. I want to leave 1 million likes on a video, yeah. People, Vibes Cartel, they are prison for over, I'm going to say, from 2011. So that done roughly run up to about nearly 9 years them time there, you see me? And thing. But him not prison. Him did a jail from 2011, then him got prison when 2014. At them time somebody just correct me, you see me? I think at 2014 him get sentenced. I don't know it's a process. You have jail, prison. When you get sentenced at jail, you have to stay at jail first till the docket ready and then you say some move and whatever the case might be. It depends on where you there. If I arising, I don't know, arising deal with docket. But people, Vibes Cartel, they are jail. Well, him lock way for about 9 years. You understand? Well, over 8 years. You see me? And we see him. Remember the video where they go around when time I play football and them thing, then everybody has sent a Vibes Cartel in which people are pretty it up. Now we see Vibes Cartel and make a chad in the prison yard. You see me? I say, we hungry becks or whatever theme yard him did there. Don't it, people? Alright, but look on the style now. You know where I get the video from, because you don't know me a different type of blogger. You know? You see me I say, I always give people them credit. The full video they on Yardman TV. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description and in the comment section towards Yardman TV. If you give me that update, yeah. But anyway, I want the people them go and go subscribe to Yardman TV. Bad blogger. You understand? I always watch him video them first. Nobody can watch it before me. You understand? But every time I comment though. But people, you know the thing go. Gaza fans them supposed to happy. But guess what? Them not really happy if you know say you appraise them have to see him. Him should and damn yard so them can see him and hear him and come and show and come. But you don't know. The case gone a privy council and thing. So you don't know says a process and Vibes Cartel already tell people them say yo, you don't know say it's a journey. So open and ready for chat the journey with we. You understand? We don't want to say the people them say the woman chat the journey with Vibes Cartel. Cause as you can see, Vibes Cartel been a wall out the pressure. A lot of people don't like Vibes Cartel, you know. A lot of people don't want to see Vibes Cartel forward the road. I will understand and accept that. But at the end of the day, him is only human being. And everybody deserves a second chance. Even though everybody say, yo, Vibes Cartel innocent towards the crime. Me not say him innocent, I'm not say him guilty. I'm not the judge, I'm not the jury, I'm not privy council. You understand? My uncle can say, yo, we don't wish Vibes Cartel there road where in which you could watch all a music video with him in it, actually, without have to put sicker rhyme in it. Nothing wrong with sicker rhyme in it, but we're tired of that now. Who wants the Vibes Cartel like music video, them like how everybody have them music video and people, nobody feel like say me I pick up a Vibes Cartel. No. You understand? Because everybody gonna say, but Terror, so what about Lizard Family? We talked about that already. We don't want to talk about that again. We are talking about Vibes Cartel now. You see me? Sean Stam, I need for forward. You know how long we not see Sean Stam? Our Sean Stam now walk in a prison. Nobody now video Sean Stam, and Sean Stam, I'm a G, you know. I'm going to tell you that, you know, I'm a real Sean Stam, you know. You see me? I'm going to tell you that, you know. Big woman thing. I see one of my favorite Sean Stam song, Why Bad Mind Never Try, Spite, Fight. A youth will start rise, them never like the sight of my light when it starts shine bright. Bad artists. And you see me as a youth like this, me give credit where it due. And when people forget bashing, them get bashing. But when you can't say, Terror does a bash people straight so, and don't give credit. We highlight young talent. We also give people them rightful credit. We not take away credit from people because guess what go on? You see in a life, you have to show love. You have to show support. Vibes Cartel is a man like this. A whole heap of youth him help. Vibes Cartel remind me of a Bounty, but only thing with Vibes Cartel a lyricist. You understand? And Bounty, he not really say of a lyricist, but him is a veteran. You understand? He will be him tune them, but he's not like an artist who goes speed quick and just done. No. It's not a Vibes Cartel. But in terms of helping other people, Bounty. You understand? And Vibes Cartel in second in command. But people, wanna think after video there? Matter of fact, me go play it again.
We have video the dog and the people. Yo, put the phone to there.
It's a great look. That's all me can say, people. People, only look on it. Cause me look on it different, you know. Me look on it in a way in which that Vybz Kartel. I know him really make the video. As somebody I make the video, obviously I see it. See? As somebody make the video because it's like a new prisoner we never see Vybz Kartel yet. Or probably them see him already, but them are set to watch her now. More want send it go road make the people them say yo Vybz Kartel then a good health and rare. I can see the dog hunchback see him when the dog see us do him thing. And I step with the water. Man I roll with him bodyguard. People, all at prison, Vybz Kartel have to make sure them head secure. He have to make sure them roll with him bodyguard them, which is the water. Because let me tell you this, dog. You see me? Whosoever go prison already can tell you. When you a prisoner you walk, water no walk with you. You understand? For sure it's a Vybz Kartel, a Irish prisoner. You understand? Like, them man they look like independent security black to the water them a move with him. And him a go somewhere for go deal with something in prison. Because you don't know it's a security black there by itself, you know. You understand? Security black there by itself, like all of the high ranking man them in a society would end up on a black there. A specific black where in which one man locate. Cause I think a prisoner 3 man locate. And you can't have 1 man locate. 2 man can locate because them are gonna say a fish. So 2 man can locate, 3 man can locate, and 1 man can locate. So I guess Vybz Kartel then a sell by himself, him depend on the Irish black where in which extra security. So if him a left a black, they forgot to do something in a prison. Water for walk with him and make sure it's everything good with him. Because them can't make no Irish man get touched in the prison. So that's how prison run. So Vybz Kartel safe. You understand? Pertaining to water always there around him. I walk with him, carry him go yasso, carry him go yasso. Not bathroom though, because bathroom upon the Irish block. You see me? And if he want to go somewhere anywhere else in the prison, for instance, say he want to go make a move, go over one next block. He must set to the water for roll with him. You see me? Roll with him because you don't know an Irish man. I probably could have send the next man to your charge it. That's how I show you. Why me feel like say that man there video in a true Vybz Kartel all the left and going at the yard. Because as I tell you before, the Irish black, it there by itself. Nobody can to see them people unless them ghost by them there. So when you see Vybz Kartel I walk about them place and probably I once in a blue moon him do that. Probably him have some little things them want to sort out over there so him make the step and the water for follow him to make sure say nobody not attack him. Because I prison that. People sentence you get to them and then we run off pan and come stab you up. For nothing at all and the water can't afford that. You see me? Then I go hear the whole internet say, yo, I plan, you see that they make man stab up cartel in a prison as him lose him appeal this and that and rare. Because you don't know the people them stay. But a prison. And people sentence do get to them at the time. When you hear say you have life or you can't come back a road and you're so young, you have to wonder about yourself more. You have to think deep. So you don't know say water if you have the button plus you have the whistle near your mouth. So if anybody run on to Vybz Kartel, beep! Water them come like them a come from and the ground to them enough. Yo, anybody where they are prison or go prison already can tell you. But when time whistle blow. When the whistle blow, a mad thing go on, a beer thing go on. But I tell you that you know when the whistle blow and you it blow upon. When the whistle blow upon you, brother, the amount of lick you get. Me tell you say, you never get so much lick for your barn. For your barn and them lick they different, you know. One of them lick there, you know, come like 40 lick a road, you know. So you must know me attack. You see me? Beer lick. And the head the button a boom. So kung kang a crick cook. A beer cocoa come same time. It even take no while. Don't cocoa don't take long for come up. It just lick and then it take time as well. No man, them cocoa they come as it sink it go up. Me I tell you. But people, everybody happy for see Vybz Kartel. You see me? Him look like him there in a good health same way. Just like when him run out on some fest and thing. You don't know the difference between it. I just walk him and walk and when him afford pan some fest him run out and thing. You see me? I say, them are no gangster. Some of them are try pull up that. You see me? But people, what are your thoughts on this video though? Make sure you leave the 1,000,000 likes on the video and subscribe to the channel and thing. And go link Weedian TV. Because there's some see the video and the full video over there. So they can link him and hear my say. I say I don't know say how we do the thing different. Anyway, we get the video from the source. I don't know it says a fellow vlogger. We have to make the people know say him we get the video from. So when you can go circle him, give him a bless up. You don't know Vybz Kartel are the teacher. You don't know Gaza Nation love Vybz Kartel for life. You understand musical wise and you don't know him help enough youth and thing. Big up on yourself, in the people. Until next time, one chop. I'm out.